Hello, everyone. Once again, this is Black Forest coming to you with another market analysis currency breakdown. We're going to be looking at the USDCHF. But before we get started to break down this chart and this currency pair, we have to say that this video is for education purposes only. This is not financial advice. But we all know why you guys are here. You guys are here to find good, credible Forex content that can help improve your ability as a trader and to help put some extra money in your pocket, especially in these troubling times, okay? So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started to break down this chart and this currency pair, okay? So let us look at the USDCHF and let us focus on what is happening with the CHF first, okay? Now, believe it or not, we did have some positive news about the CHF come out on May the 12th. So we are actually in a situation where that this certain part during the week that we're actually having CHF behaving as one of our stronger currencies. But we have to take that with a grain of salt because the CHF is one of the major three European continents currencies, and Europe's economy overall, no matter if it's the UK's, the Swiss, or European continent economy as a whole is in shambles, and the shambles is solely related to the destabilization of the entire economy related to the Russian-Ukrainian conflict. Okay, so if you watched our previous videos, we've told you that in any time that we're in this situation with these three European continents currencies, is that we're going to see we're going to see periodic strength with these currencies anytime positive news comes out, but that does not change the overall long-term trajectory weakness that's related to the geopolitics surrounded by the Russian-Ukrainian war. So because of this good news, right, we did have some strength happen with the CHF, but it does not mean that this is one of our stronger currencies. It's just behaving as one of our stronger currencies, and it's going to eventually start to inherit. It's going to eventually start to behave in its inherited nature of being weak, like I said, which is related to the geopolitical war. Okay, so if you see CHF behaving as strong on the charts, this is just solely due to that. So you can have two ways to go about it. You can go with that strong move and make your money with that, or you can wait till that move is over and then go and wait until the inherited weakness kick in and make your money with that. There's no right or wrong answer with it. It's just making sure you time your position the right way so you're not stuck in a position when it starts to go one way or the other. Okay? Now with the USD is actually coming into this mid part of our trading week as one of our weaker currencies, and this is solely due to the fact of there's been a lot more negative news and positive news coming out about the USD, and we still have a rise in gas prices happening. To understand the relationship between the USD and gas, I strongly suggest that you watch the USD CAD video, so we go into great detail with that. Okay. So with that being said, now let's break down what is happening on the chart. Okay, so due to the weakness of the USD and the very temporary, and I stress temporary uptake in the CHF strength, this is why we started to see a drop in price. Okay, but this is the thing that's showing me signs that it's going to continue to go up. Is that we have not held price for a certain long period of time. You want to see ranges going for a long period of time before you see price turnover. This range did not hold for a long period of time. Now I know if you go on your lower time frames, like your 15 minutes, you can see it looks like it has. Especially if you go on your 5 minute, it definitely looks like it has. But I promise you, look at it from the hour standpoint, 4 hour standpoint, which I like doing the videos on. It has not held from that long of a standpoint. Okay. So with this chart, excuse me, we're going to see a continuing uptake in price. How far we may get up, we may get as far as here, here, or here before we start to see it retrace back down. So it looks like we're going to be entering a new ranging spot where this is going to be our low and this area is going to be our high. And every time we get here, we may bounce up to here. Every time we get here, we may bounce up to here. But this can drastically change if the fundamentals change. Not so much the fundamentals for the CHF, but the USD. Because the USD still has room to get weaker. So if the USD continues to get weaker, then we will see a continuation of a drop in price. But the way the chart is presenting itself, it's looking like we're going to continue to go up a little bit more before we go down. So we may go as far high as here, here, possibly even here before we start to go back down again. But for this move is going to be here, 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 range, and we have to wait on the fundamentals to see what's going on, because this chart is more so contingent on the USD losing its strength or gaining its strength versus anything that's happening with the CHF. Okay. So if you guys enjoy our content, we ask that you guys please subscribe, like, and share. We ask you guys subscribing to our YouTube channel will allow you to get up-to-date notifications on every time we drop new Forex content. Also, liking and sharing our videos help pushes our videos out there in the community so we can continue to build our community of profitable traders, because our goal is to build a community of profitable traders, okay? And last but not least, we would like for you guys to reach out to us and let us know what charts and market analysis videos that you guys do want, okay? Please let us know what type of charts that you guys want breaking down so we know how to best to accommodate and to serve you, okay? You can leave a comment in whatever video that you do watch, or what you can do is email us or reach out to us through our various social medias. The links to our social medias and our email is in the description of every video. And with that being said, happy trading.